Are you looking for the best steam cleaners? In this video we will look at some of the 6 best steam cleaners on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. McCulloch MC 1385 Steam Cleaner for Bed Bugs. This is the best overall steamer to get rid of bed bugs. With the help of accessories such as a floor mop, scrub pad, scrapper, and squeegee that it comes with, killing and getting rid of bed bugs is quite easy. This device's tank heats up in less than 12 minutes, and you can use the steam for up to 2 hours. Since it has a variable steam control, you can get rid of both dirt and grime. Additionally, it comes with an optional steam lock that can allow non-stop steam. It has a hot 4-bar pressure and steam and effectively destroys bacteria and germs. Its 18 feet power cord allows you enhanced reach, as does the steam hose, which is 10 feet long. You will have an easy time accessing tight spots. Its tank can hold up to 64 ounces of water. It comes with 23 accessories including an angled nozzle, mop pad, nylon brush, and brass brush. It is ideal for cleaning since it does not require the use of aggressive chemicals. At number 2. Dupray Neat Steam Cleaner to Kill Bed Bugs. His is the best pressurized steam cleaner for bed bugs and is reliable and efficient. It does not require harsh chemicals when cleaning, yet it gets rid of up to 99.99% of germs. The Dupray comes with a range of useful accessories and can be used to clean other surfaces in your home besides killing bed bugs. It heats up pretty fast, and you can use regular tap water in it. It is pretty light, making it easy to move around, and comes with a retractable handle. This device also comes with an inbuilt funnel, meaning all messes will be kept at bay. Offers up to 50 minutes of cleaning time for every fill-up. It is excellent for floor cleaning, and you can use a regular cloth or towel. It deodorizes, degreases, and steam cleans different types of surfaces. It has a large tank capacity that holds up to 54 ounces of water. It has a long hose and electric cord, allowing you to reach high places and corners. It is lightweight and portable. It comes with 18 attachments. It offers chemical-free cleaning. At number 3. Steamfast SF370 Canister Steam Cleaner for Bed Bugs. The Steamfast is the most lightweight steam cleaner and is equally easy to use. It deep cleans and can quickly get rid of odors and pests. You can use regular tap water when operating this device. It comes with 15 attachments that perform different tasks. It takes 8 minutes to heat up and can give up to 45 minutes of continuous steam. You can use this unit for multi-purpose cleaning. The Steamfast is pretty affordable, considering it is a high-quality device, and it comes with microfiber pads that you can use on different types of floor surfaces with sealing. It is also free of any unpleasant chemicals, and is pretty easy to operate. It comes with 15 different types of attachments. It has a long cord. It comes with a carrying handle and is compact. It can hold up to 48 ounces of water. It comes with a wide array of brushes you can choose from. At number 4. Bissell Power Bed Bug Steamer. This Bissell model is pretty easy to use, and it is also pretty efficient. It comes with 2 pads and various attachments. While it does not hold much water, it heats up pretty quickly. Besides getting rid of bed bugs, it is a multi-purpose cleaner that can even be used to clean your car seats. The attachments are clearly labeled, making it easy to change the heads. This device can also get rid of up to 99.99% of bacteria and germs. It also has different steam modes and a trigger that allows you to control the amount and intensity of released steam. Additionally, it comes with a wall mount that allows for easy storage. You can use this device both outdoors and indoors. Powerful, high-temperature steam to blast away dirt, grime, grease, stains, and mold across a wide variety of indoor and outdoor surfaces. For use in garage and workshop areas, interior and exterior of autos, boats, ATVs, and recreational vehicles, windows, outdoor patio furniture and decks, and all sealed hard floor surfaces. At number 5. Wagner Spraytech 915E Steam Cleaner. This steam cleaner is excellent for getting rid of any undesired things like insects from your home. It has 11 attachments that allow you to clean different areas in your home, including showers, sinks, toilets, floors, household appliances, and kitchen countertops. This device is pretty easy to use since you only need to fix it to the attachment you want to use. It holds 48 ounces of distilled water and takes about 5 to 6 minutes to raise its temperature. Besides eliminating bed bugs, you can also use it to get rid of odor from a mattress and clean furniture and floors. It also comes with a 9-foot hose that gives you enough reach into cracks and crevices. The Wagner 915E Power Steamer is a multi-purpose steamer that uses nothing but chemical-free steam to remove wallpaper and clean countless household surfaces without using chemicals. Use the included attachments to loosen and dissolve dirt, grease and grime on floors and carpet, grout, kitchen countertops, appliances and more. At number 6. McCulloch MC1275 Heavy Duty Steam Cleaner. This McCulloch device easily eliminates stubborn odors and kills bed bugs without using any harmful chemicals. It comes with 18 different attachments and a 9-foot-long hose. It has a compact design that allows you to use it as a bed bug cleaner or a steam mop. It can hold up to 48 ounces of water to deliver 45 minutes of steam, which is excellent, especially if you are working in a large space. Besides getting rid of bed bugs, you can also use it for different types of cleaning. It comes with a lock trigger option that can steam without constantly having your finger on the trigger. Backed by a 2-year hassle-free warranty and supported by a customer service team based in Andover, Kansas. Naturally deep clean without the use of harsh chemicals using hot, pressured steam to eliminate grease, grime, and stains from a wide range of surfaces including ceramic tile, grout, granite, sealed wood flooring, laminate, appliances, grills, autos, and more.